Hey there, welcome to our engaging and informative YouTube channel. We're here every day with a motivational video to help you improve your life. Today, we're diving into the world of entrepreneurship and sharing 15 essential things you should know when starting a business. Now, before we begin, let's address something important. Starting a business isn't for everyone. It takes a unique set of traits and skills to thrive in the entrepreneurial world. Some people are happier and more successful working for someone else, and that's perfectly okay. But if you believe deep down that you're destined to be an entrepreneur, then this video is for you. We want to provide you, our amazing followers, with clarity and guidance on your journey to success. We did extensive research on this topic and found that most articles out there shy away from the hard truths and simply regurgitate the same information. We wanted to do things differently. In this video, we'll break down the essential points you need to know in a way that's perfect for beginners. Make sure to subscribe and follow us for more inspiring and potentially life-changing content. All right, let's dive into the 15 things you should know when starting a business, shall we? Number 1. Talk is cheap. Nobody cares about what you're planning to do until you actually do it. We receive countless emails from people who say they're planning to launch a business, but very few actually take action. While it's natural to discuss your business plans with enthusiasm, remember that mere intentions won't move the needle. Shockingly, for every 60 people who express the desire to start a business, only one follows through. The world operates on tangible results, not wishful thinking. To truly make your mark, let your actions speak volumes. Number 2. An idea isn't worth anything until it yields results. Everyone has ideas, and they're not that special. What truly matters is the execution of those ideas. A good idea with poor execution won't bring any positive results, while a mediocre idea with excellent execution can become a successful business. Don't be too protective of your idea. Focus on executing it better than your competitors. The importance of this point lies in emphasizing that a simple idea with brilliant execution can outshine a seemingly fantastic idea with lackluster implementation. And remember, you don't need a revolutionary idea to get rich. Just execute better than others in your industry. Number 3. Nobody cares about your business as much as you do. Your business is your dream, your passion. Your business is your brainchild, nurtured by your dreams and fueled by your unwavering belief. While you may inspire others to join your cause, nobody will ever want your business to succeed as much as you do. Keep this in mind, especially if you have partners in your business. Each member of your team should be just as passionate and committed to the business as you are. Otherwise, it may lead to conflicts and hinder your progress. Alignment in passion and dedication is critical for the long-term success of your venture. Number 4. You don't need a lot of money to start a business. In the beginning, you are the business. Many people think they need a substantial amount of money to get started, but that's not true. You can start a business with less than $100. In its infancy, your business's most abundant resource is your time. If you don't have the money, find a short-term job or add value to others so they can pay you what you need. Remember, time is your main resource in the early stages. Number 5. Be ready to make sacrifices. Starting a business requires a tremendous amount of work and sacrifice. While many individuals initiate their entrepreneurial journey to escape the drudgery of working for others, you'll find yourself working long hours, including weekends, and losing sleep over the future. Your social life may take a hit, and your health might be affected. Success demands such sacrifices, and being aware of this upfront is crucial. But remember, The rewards of a successful business are worth it. If you want to know the 15 sacrifices you need to make for success, subscribe to our channel and watch for our video. Number 6. Build smart from the beginning. The foundation of your business is crucial. Make sure your business checks certain boxes. For example, it should have no demand ceiling, meaning it can continuously attract customers as it grows. Additionally, every part of your business should be replaceable, ensuring its survival even if one employee or supplier leaves. And don't forget to have a clear plan on how to scale your business as the demand increases. Number 7, people should free up your time so you can focus on your strengths. As the founder, your job is not to be an employee in your own business. Delegate tasks to your employees so you can focus on innovation and business growth. Identify your strengths and use them to get the biggest return on your time. Remember, your team is like a chess set. You want them there when you win, but you may need to sacrifice some of them along the way. Identifying your unique strengths and deploying them strategically is pivotal for optimal resource utilization. Number 8. Fail fast and adapt quickly. Starting a business means encountering numerous challenges and setbacks. It's essential to understand that failure is part of the journey. Accepting failure as a valuable learning experience is fundamental. Learn from your failures, adapt, and keep moving forward. You must understand in the world of entrepreneurship, failure isn't a full stop, it's a comma. Many businesses fail because they either give up when faced with a significant obstacle or fail to adapt to a changing market. Don't be afraid to fail, rather use it as an opportunity to gather data and use it to make more informed decisions. Number 9. Long-term success depends on your ability to manage your resources. Life is like a strategy game, and you have various resources at your disposal: time, willpower, your ability to work, money, and connections. Make the most out of what you have. Time is a resource we all have equally, so use it wisely. The best players strategically leverage all their resources to succeed. Don't complain about what you lack. Instead, focus on making the most of what you have. Number 10. The right mentor is worth 10 years of struggles. Find someone who has walked the road you're on and learn from their experiences. A mentor is like a compass in the wilderness of entrepreneurship. They've navigated the path you're treading and can offer insights and guidance. Analyze and study successful entrepreneurs who inspire you. Their wisdom and guidance can be invaluable on your journey. However, remember that securing a mentor isn't an instant process, and they won't invest their time and resources in you unless they see some results. So, gain traction and experience before seeking a mentor. You must demonstrate your commitment and initial results to attract one who believes in your potential. Number 11. There are no shortcuts to success. Entrepreneurship is often glamorized, with the focus on the rewards rather than the journey. Don't fall for the allure of get-rich-quick schemes or shortcuts. Building a successful business requires hard work, dedication, and commitment. Many people waste their time looking for shortcuts instead of putting in the necessary effort. Remember, true value comes from building a solid foundation brick by brick. Don't cheat the game, embrace the process, embrace the journey, and stay committed to the long-term vision. Number 12. Keeping your head down and grinding is crucial. Celebrate your wins, but stay focused on the long game. Achieving success in business is akin to running a marathon rather than a sprint. Success is the result of small actions repeated consistently over time. Self-discipline is key. While celebrating your achievements is essential, it's equally vital to maintain unwavering focus and perseverance. Stay humble, keep learning, and never lose sight of your goal. Number 13. Sales. Solve all problems. Your main job as an entrepreneur is to bring money into your company. In the realm of business, sales are the ultimate solution. Don't get sidetracked by marketing and branding alone. While marketing, branding, and a strong online presence are essential, they should all converge to drive sales. After all, sales are what keep your business running and allow it to grow. Always prioritize generating revenue, as it solves many problems in your business. They not only sustain your business, but also fuel its growth. Don't neglect this fundamental aspect. Prioritize it from the outset. Number 14. Raise capital from investors only when necessary. While having access to capital can be beneficial, it shouldn't be your main focus. Many entrepreneurs spend more time trying to raise money than actually working on their business. Instead, focus on improving your product, generating sales, and bootstrapping independently as much as possible on your way to success. Now, don't give away a large chunk of your business too early on. Seek external investment only when your business reaches a stage where it's essential for scaling or taking a significant leap forward. Number 15. Have a clear end game. Every entrepreneur should have a clear end game in mind. Define your business's purpose, your personal goals related to it, and your exit strategy, if any. Know why you're building your business and what your personal goals are. This clarity will guide your actions and help you stay focused. It enables you to measure progress effectively and focus your efforts on achieving specific milestones. Without an end game in mind, you'll lack direction and may struggle to achieve your desired outcome. Align all your efforts with your end game and keep pushing forward. There you have it, everyone. These are the 15 essential things you should know when starting a business. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and guidance on your entrepreneurial journey. If you're planning to start a business or already have one, share some details and your end game in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.